What's up, everyone? It's Peter Tragos, the lawyer you know, and today we're jumping in for a quick update on the Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell saga, as big news has come down because the court has ordered that Lori Vallow is now competent and fit to stand trial. In today's video, we're going to jump in, review that order, and talk about how it not only affects Lori's case, but also how it affects Chad Daybell's case. So if you're here for this case and you've been joining this channel for this case, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Hit that bell so you know whenever a new video on this case comes. And if you like the content of the Lori Vallow Chad Daybell case, make sure you hit the like button. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump into this court's order because we know it's been a while that Lori Vallow has been found incompetent to stand trial. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for her to be fit to stand trial so the case can begin against her. Well, it has happened today as the court has entered this order. Based upon the court's determination that the defendant, Lori Noreen Vallow, aka Lori Noreen Vallow Daybell, is restored to competency and is fit to proceed, the court orders that the defendant be brought before this court to be arraigned and to be read the charges that she is going to be charged with, what criminal charges are coming against her. That's going to happen soon. Further, the order staying the case is hereby lifted, so no more pause on all the proceedings, all the discovery, all the depositions that can happen in her case. Defendant is to be transferred from the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare and remanded to the custody of the Fremont County Sheriff to be transported and brought before this court. The arraignment is going to take place on April 19th, so that's when she's going to be brought before the court, and they're going to let her know what she's charged with. And she's going to now have the opportunity to work with her lawyer and present her defense. So we'll see if we hear anything about what she thinks about Mark Means versus the lawyer she has now, the death penalty certified lawyer. She'll be let know that the death penalty is coming her way. So it's going to be really interesting on her case and what it means for her case. But what does it mean for Chad Daybell's case? We talked when the judge denied severance of the case and said these two cases are going to be held together and jointly, and they're going to be one trial for both of these defendants. And we said that's not fair if it continues to delay Chad Daybell's case because Lori Vallow is not competent. Well, now she's competent. Now she can take depositions. Now she can take part in this defense. We can see if there's going to be a joint defense agreement or if they're going to point the finger at each other. Depending on what happens and what she does now, there could still be another motion to sever this case that could have more reasons as to why this case should not be tried together, meaning the defendants are going to point the finger at each other. They need to sever this case. Well, we didn't necessarily know that because Lori Vallow was not competent to even make that decision. So we'll see if that's what's coming down the pipe here. I wonder if there was any indication or any medical records reviewed or submitted under seal by either lawyer or either party to this judge, or if this judge somehow saw something that indicated maybe in the not so distant future, Lori Vallow is going to be deemed fit and competent to stand trial. So I don't want to sever the case based on her delaying it when I'm about to lift that stay. I'm about to stop that delay, and we're about to litigate this case right here, right now. So I don't know if the judge had this information, but it would make sense because now that this stay is lifted, now that she's fit and competent, we can get to it, and there's no more delay on Chad Daybell's trial either, hopefully, because he is a citizen of the United States. He does have constitutional protections. He is presumed innocent, and we want to make sure that those constitutional rights are protected in our country. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment, and we'll get back to it. Thanks for watching this episode of The Lawyer You Know. If you like this content, please share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe to our page and like our videos. If you want some interaction, get in the comments and we'll be sure to get back to you. If you want to know any more information about our firm or this page, you can find out in the description or visit tragoslaw.com. We post multiple times throughout the week, so make sure you hit that bell so you can get the notification and not miss out on the next episode.